So this is a little plugin that I use that makes my workflow 10 times faster. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is cie_ค์𝗵𝗵 and I make motion graphics and graphic design related content right here on YouTube. And if there's something that interests you, please remember, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. The name of the plugin is Motion Design Tool, and I'll drop the link in my video description if you want to get it and check it out for yourself. And without further ado, let's jump straight into After Effects. So I have this animation of this bee flying like this, and if you guys want to go into deeper details about stuff like this, let me know in my comment section. And I want to make the eyes blink. So this is what I am going to do. So let's just make a simple eye blinking effect. Make a keyframe on the scale here for the left eye and right eye. Move down by 2 frames and let's zoom in. I can see properly. And I can just drop this somewhere like this. Let's 20. Let's change this to 20. Now I want to extend this one out a little bit more. Something like this. Now I'm going to move down by 3 frames and I'm just going to make another keyframe on that. Then I'm going to move down by 2 frames again and I'm just going to change it back to the default so I can copy this and paste it here. Now let's check it out now. It looks like blinking. That's amazing. Hit F9 to ease. Now with my motion tools here, let's say I want to copy this entire 4 keyframes to another side. Let's say somewhere around here. I can just select the keyframes here, and once I'm just going to click on clone, you can see it has cloned this entire keyframes to this other side. So no need to be copying and pasting keyframes anyhow. You can just do everything at once. So next thing you can use it to do, let's draw a circle first of all. And if you go to motion tools here, you can see that first of all my anchor point is not at the middle here. So what I can just do is I can just come here and just click the middle. Now it has moved the anchor point straight into the middle like that. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a simple movement animation. So position, and I'm going to make keyframe position here. Go back to the beginning here. I'm just going to drag this guy upward like this. Like this. So now I want this to have like a bounce animation, so that when you hit it doesn't just hit like this. What I can do is I can just come here and just click on bounce, and when you play it back you can see it already has a bounce animation. Okay, so now I'm just going to change this max jump to 20. My gravity I'm going to change it to 20, and my amplitude I'm just going to move it to like 95 or something like that. So now let's check it again. You can see it's a little bit more natural like this right now. So if you want to install it for Mac, you just come to File, Scripts, Install Script UI Panel. For Windows, it's just the same thing. You just come to File, go down to Scripts, Install UI Panel, and you can just find where you downloaded it. Select it. Now you will not have to restart your Windows or your Mac, whatever you're going to restart it. And now if you just come into Windows and you come down here and click on motion tools, now you have to give it network access. Click on OK. Now what you just need to do is just to come down to scripting and expression here and just go to allow script to write files and access network. Select that and click on OK. So now you have your tools inside here, so I can just drag it and drop it up here. So thank you for watching that video. What do you think? Let me know in my comment section. If you want me to break down more plugins that I use in After Effects, drop a comment in my comment section. I'll be sure to get to you as soon as possible. If you want to support this channel for me to do amazing videos like this, there's a link in my video description for you to support this channel, and I'll be dropping a little gift for you inside that, and I'm really grateful and really happy when you do that. The easiest way to contact me is by joining my motion design community. The link is in the video description. And from now to the next video, I want you guys to remember to improve every day, to grow constantly, and to dream endlessly. So this video here or watch this video here, and it's an amazing one. See you there, guys.